It actually looks good. Chat, I have the worst handwriting ever, guys. Bro, there's a big portrait here, too. How neat. Whoa. Cardiac. Sensor deployed. W. Alexis! Dude, she has a big one, too. I'm gonna open this one last. Big one. Wait, what are the other ones? If she didn't move and pulse, I don't even know what... Alexis, you painted this? This is very good painting, chat. Look, bro, it's legitimately painted. Handmade with love. Alexis, you're the GOAT, twin. Wait a minute. Here's the last one. This took me 10 hours to complete. Guys, this isn't AI. Yo, chat, you guys realize there are some girls that watch this. Oh my God, it's grim. Okay, Alexis, this is ridiculous.